Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making a video of the unboxing and the installation of this Crompton Reefs Transair 9-inch or 225mm exhaust fan. So this is the box view. Let me show you the box. So you can see the features are written: double ball bearings, hub based design, high performance fan, epoxy coated finish, bird screen, and available in 3 sizes. Then this is the label, you can see. So the problem that happened is that the packaging is so bad that the label came off while unwrapping the Amazon package. I bought this from Amazon for a really discounted price of 1400. You can see the MRP is 2070 and it is manufactured in Solan, Himachal Pradesh. Let's unbox the fan. So this is the fan. So this is the installation and instructions come warranty card. See, this has the picture of a Transair 12. So some made in Bombay have a picture of a Transair 6-inch. So this is the fan. So there is no Crompton sticker here. So there is a disparity between these fans. The fans made in Mumbai have a label here and have non-thicker blades. That's what some friends have told me. And then the blades of these seem thicker than the Bombay made Transairs. That's what they have claimed. So in this is the wire. So you can see this has a 1.5 microfarad capacitor. I don't know why such a low value, because in the older ones I guess they gave 1.75 to 2 microfarads. Then you can see it's given, the connections are all given correctly according to the proper connections they have given. Like black is for the common, yellow is for the secondary winding, red is for the primary winding, and they have given the connections here also. They have given it correctly, all are correct. Let's move on to the installation. So I don't know why Crompton does a disparity between the fans. Like the ones manufactured in Mumbai have thinner blades, they have a logo over here. Then I don't know why they do such disparities. The Solan ones have thicker blades, I don't know why. But anyway, let's test it and see the performance. The airflow is really good. It's really nice. So now let's move on to the installation of the fan. So guys, while giving the connections you have to strip the wires correctly. So you have to strip that outer core using a knife or your plier, and then you have to strip the wires inside, and then you have to give the connections. May it be a wire connector or a ceiling rose, or you have to tape it and give. You have to give it correctly. Be careful, you have to switch off the power supply and then only give. So guys, be careful while giving the connections. If you give it anyway, it is okay. There is no polarity, but I gave it according to the correct connections. I gave live to live, neutral to neutral, that's it. There is no earthing. You can add an external earthing. There is an earthing screw provided. You can add earthing there, but you just need to give the live and neutral here. Earthing is mandatory. So guys, I finished installing the fan. So now let me show you it's running. So the performance of this fan is really powerful. It throws out a large amount of air. So that twinkling sound you can hear, is the quarter pin. It's moving about the fan while it's in rotation. So this video was really short and informative, I hope. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and comment down if you have any queries. Bye.